Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So if you go over and follow a video that I made, I cooked some boiled potatoes in the air fryer oven. It took 1 hour and 20 minutes. I don't recommend that at all, period. Your time is better spent on the stove, and you can cut that time way down, over less than half. Okay? So anyway, I have those potatoes, and now I'm gonna take those potatoes and we're gonna use the Ninja to make mashed potatoes. Okay, this is gonna be cheddar cheese mashed potatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust the camera. We're gonna get started. All right, great. Okay, I have my Ninja right here. We're gonna put the potatoes in. Let me take this down. Okay, better. Gonna put the potatoes in. These are the potatoes that I cooked in the air fryer oven. That took 1 hour and 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna put the potatoes in the Ninja, because we're gonna make mashed potatoes, right? I have a lot of questions of what kind of pans do I use for the air fryer oven. This is a cake pan, okay? This is what I use, all right? Okay, so I have all the potatoes in. I'm gonna put that on. Now we're gonna start adding our ingredients. I got sea salt. You can add as much as you like or as less as you like. It's up to you. I only added a dash because I'm going to flavor mine with chicken base. Chicken base is a nice flavor that you can use to flavor many dishes, vegetables, soup. Okay, I lost that one. Get another one. Pick that up. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 heaping teaspoon, just one, over there. Now that's going to give it a nice flavor with the chicken base. Okay? Now chicken base is also chicken broth. You can buy it in the cube, liquid, powdered form. This is powdered form. Okay, let's add some pepper. I'm going to add some garlic, ground garlic. Okay. That's to help kick up that flavor. Okay. Now we're going to add some milk. This is shelf milk. You can also use regular milk. You can use cream. You can use almond milk, whatever you have. Okay? Let's just say we're going to put maybe 1/4 of a cup. Now I have some cheddar cheese. Okay? I buy the big bag. It costs like maybe $12 at Sam's, and then I divide it up so that I can spread out my costs and have cheddar cheese for many meals for a cheaper price. If you leave it all in one bag, you just keep dipping your hand in. You don't know whether you're using too much or not, and you're definitely not saving any money. So let's say I'm going to add 2 handfuls of cheddar cheese. That's 1. 2. That probably equals maybe 1/2 cup. And see, I didn't even use the whole bag. See what I'm talking about? 1 second. Okay, so we're gonna set it on mix, which is the second button on the right. Okay, now I want to add my butter. Okay, that's a half a stick of butter. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of milk. I'm putting it back on. Hit and mix. Okay, now I want to hit boost, which is this middle button. It's very powerful. It's going to break down anything. Okay, so I'm going to hit boost and I'm going to let that go for about maybe, I'd say 10-15 seconds. Alright, there we go. Okay, I think we're good. Let me give you a view. Okay, and I want you to get a view with me in the shot. Let's see if we can do that. No, 1 second. Up a little higher. Here we go. That's cheddar cheese mashed potatoes. Alright, in the Ninja. Let's try it. I want you to see the texture. Let me put this down. Okay. You can see how thick it is. You see that? It's not runny. That runs off instantly. It takes its time to drop. That's how you know how thick it is. See that? Okay. And it coats the spoon. See? Alright. So let me give it a try. Oh wow. Cheesy. Delicious. Delicious. That garlic is coming through. And the chicken broth. Oh, I can eat a bowl of that right now. Right now. But I won't. I'll wait. Okay. So that's cheddar cheese mashed potatoes. Yummy, 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 yummy. And let me give you the word of the day. Let's see. Self-love is the best love. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. Let's think about that a minute. Self-love means you love yourself. And it's the best love because nobody can love you better than you. You have to love yourself in order to love somebody else. If you're miserable and you don't love something about you, let's say you don't let's say you get depressed all the time, or you don't like your hair, you don't like your eyes, you don't like your butt, whatever it is that you have a hang up with about yourself is a problem. Accept those things, okay? It's part of you. And you can change things if you want, or you can help things get better if you want, so you don't feel like you don't love yourself. But for me, I accept all of me, all the flaws, all the ups, all the downs. I accept it all because I learned a long time ago that nobody is perfect. And so I can't make myself perfect because there's no perfect person. Okay? But what it is you're here. So love yourself. Self-love is the best love. So love on yourself, will you? And remember, when you feel down and out, come on, that's you. Okay? Accept that. Okay? Love that. Love you. Okay? Alright, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Please share the video. Help somebody else to learn how to cook these dishes and to hear this word, because the word is very important. That's why I started giving them. And if you don't have a ninja to mix the mashed potatoes in, don't let that stop you. You may have a mixer, you may have a blender, you can mash it with a potato masher, you can mash them with a fork. The idea is just to mash them whatever way you can until you do better, okay? Alright? Still make the recipe because it's worth making. Okay, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm signing out, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.